Wait, why are we still doing all this manually?
Most people use AI for fun. I use it to save time, reduce effort, and automate boring work.
This video isn't about hype. It's about the AI tools that actually save time at work.
If you're working professionally today, your biggest problem isn't lack of tools. It's too many tasks, too little time, and constant mental overload.
Wait, where do I even start? Okay, now I have a plan.
In this video, I'm not showing you random AI tools. I'm showing you the exact AI tools I personally use to automate my daily work.
Emails, meetings, notes, follow-ups. When AI can already handle most of this.
By the end of this video, you should be able to save 1 to 2 hours every day, starting tomorrow, without changing your job or learning anything complex. If you like practical AI that actually works at your job, subscribe to Nova AI. Let's start with the first tool.
So, hope you conclude this topic with takeaway.
The one I use every single day. The first tool I use every single day is ChatGPT.
Wait, am I thinking or just staring at this screen? This is why I never start from zero.
Not for replacing thinking, but for starting faster and thinking clearer. Let's say I need to send a sensitive email to a stakeholder. Instead of staring at a blank screen, I give ChatGPT context and intent, not commands. After meetings, I use ChatGPT to turn messy notes into clear summaries.
Emails, meetings, notes, follow-ups. When AI can already handle most of this.
Decisions, actions, and risks. I also use it to draft decision notes, not to decide for me, but to structure my thinking. The real value of ChatGPT is this. It doesn't replace thinking, it removes blank page anxiety. The second tool I rely on heavily is Notion AI, especially for notes and meetings.
Wait, did we actually decide anything in this meeting? Okay, now this makes sense.
Most meeting notes look like these fragments, half thoughts, and things you'll forget by tomorrow. With one click, Notion AI turns raw notes into a structured plan: decisions, action items, and risks. Over time, this becomes a personal knowledge-based project: learnings, repeat issues, and proven fixes. Notion AI doesn't just store notes. It turns information into execution. The third tool I use daily is Grammarly and sometimes Wordtune for one simple reason.
Wait, why does the memo sound like I'm not confident? Say the same thing, just better.
Professional tone. Most of us don't sound unprofessional, we sound uncertain. These tools don't change your message. They sharpen it. They also help you write faster without sounding robotic, especially when you're replying to emails all day. Remember this. AI doesn't write for you, it fixes how you sound. Now this is where real automation begins: Zapier or Make. Here's a real example.
Wait, I did this yesterday and the day before. If you do it more than twice, automate it.
Someone fills a form. The data goes into a sheet. An email is sent automatically. And the team gets notified on Slack. No copying, no switching tools, no follow-ups. Just one trigger and everything else happens automatically. I follow one simple rule. If you do something more than twice, automate it. The fifth tool is something every manager should use: Otter or Fireflies.
Wait, what did we actually agree on? There it is.
During meetings, these tools automatically record, transcribe, and summarize everything, including action points and decisions. For managers, this alone saves hours every week: no manual notes, no missed follow-ups. You focus on the conversation. The AI takes care of the notes. The sixth tool is probably the easiest to adopt because it's already inside tools you use every day.
Wait, why am I doing this the hard way? It was already here?
In Gmail, AI helps you draft clear replies in seconds. In Docs, it helps you draft updates, reports, and summaries. And in Sheets, it helps you understand data without complex formulas. AI inside tools you already use means the lowest learning curve: no new workflows, no extra tools. The best AI tools are often the ones you don't even notice because they're already part of your day. When it comes to research and quick fact checks, I use Perplexity AI.
Wait, why do I have 10 tabs open for one answer? Just give me the answer.
Instead of 10 tabs and endless scrolling, Perplexity gives me a direct, structured answer with sources. That's the key difference from Google. Google gives you links. Perplexity gives you answers. For decision-making and quick validation, this saves serious time. When it comes to managing work and execution, I use Trello or ClickUp with AI.
Wait, why do I have so many tasks and no idea where to start?
You can take a large task and let AI break it down into clear, actionable steps including suggested priorities. With one click, you get a project summary, current status, risks, and what needs attention next. This is how AI helps move projects from chaos to clarity. The ninth tool completely changes how you create visuals. Canva AI.
Wait, why does this slide look bad? Good thing I'm not the designer.
For most professionals, creating slides or visuals starts with confusion, not creativity. With Canva AI, you simply describe what you need, and within seconds, you get a complete, structured slide deck. You can tweak layouts, colors, and fonts without knowing any design rules. The same AI helps you create thumbnails and social visuals, perfectly sized, perfectly aligned. The difference is obvious. Cleaner visuals with far less effort. What used to take hours now takes minutes. And this is the key point: you don't need to be a designer anymore. Canva AI lets you focus on ideas, not design. The final tool I want to talk about is voice AI, or speech to text.
Wait, why am I typing this when I can just say it? Talking is faster than typing.
This is one of the simplest tools and also one of the most powerful. Most people don't struggle with ideas. They struggle with turning thoughts into written words. Ideas come fast, but typing is slow. And by the time you start typing, half the idea is already gone. Some of your best thinking doesn't happen at your desk. It happens while walking, driving, or doing nothing. With voice AI, you don't wait for the perfect moment. You just start talking. You speak naturally, exactly how you think. No formatting, no structure, no pressure. As you speak, your words turn into text instantly. Your thoughts are captured without interruption. At first, the text looks messy, and that's perfectly fine. This stage is about capture, not perfection. Now AI steps in to clean things up. It organizes your raw thoughts into something usable. Messy thoughts become clear notes. What was in your head is now on the page. These notes can instantly become documents, meeting ideas, project plans, or outlines. This works beautifully for real work, project planning, strategy thinking, or problem solving. Typing forces you to slow down. Talking lets your thinking flow at full speed. This is the key idea to remember. Talking is faster than typing because you're not stopping to type. Your mind stays in flow. You can capture ideas anywhere. No laptop, no desk, no setup required. Less friction means more ideas saved and fewer ideas lost. Used daily, this becomes a powerful habit, a simple way to think better every day. When ideas are captured, your mind feels lighter. You stop worrying about forgetting. Think your ideas, speak them out, and let AI help you build.
So, what is the takeaway?
AI at work isn't about one powerful tool. It's about using the right tool at the right moment. Together, these tools remove friction from your day. They help you think clearer, write better, and execute faster. AI doesn't replace your thinking. It supports your thinking so you can focus on what matters. Used consistently, these tools save hours every week. And more importantly, they reduce mental overload. If you want practical AI that actually works in real jobs, subscribe to Novraya and let's build smarter ways of working.